Come test drive the 2014 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, running boards, dual exhaust, power brakes, rear window wiper, interval wipers, heated seats, premium sound system, power door locks, power windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.